guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick little tutorial on how I got this look. Today I'm going to be using the Pinky Rose Bright Lights palette. These are the colors in the palette. These are definitely bold colors that I typically don't use. I went out on a limb and I purchased this palette just because it gave me a good selection of bold colors, and I've definitely wanted to try to incorporate and just kind of work outside my box. So that's honestly what I've been doing with some of my most recent looks. You already know what I'm going to say. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to take this makeup journey with me. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. And I am so happy to be back. I have a ton of videos in store, so I hope you guys definitely stick around for those. So if you want to see how I got this really easy look using 3 colors, stay tuned. Yeah, do that. Yes. Hey guys, so I'm going in with the All About That Base eyeshadow primer by J. Katz. I typically don't use an eyeshadow primer, but I picked this up a few months ago and it's been sitting in my desk, so I thought I might use it. So I applied it first with my fingertip, and now I'm just using a precision concealer brush just to move the product around. And then I use it to line my brows, and I really find that this makes my brows look good. Now I'm going in with a fluffy blending brush and just blending out those edges, just so it makes it look a lot nicer when I put my foundation over it. Now I'm going to set my lids with some translucent powder, and I'm using the Besame Cosmetics translucent pearl powder. Honestly, you can use any powder. This one was probably just the closest to me. Today I'm using the Pinky Rose Bright Lights palette. I really do like the palette. I love the colors. They are a little bit intimidating, but they are still beautiful. The first color I'm going in with is Brulee, and it's like a peachy nude color. So I'm applying this one as my transition shade, and I'm just using a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just kind of going back and forth. I really found that this color worked really well with the other 2 colors that I'm using for this look. Now I'm going in with the color Dreamsicle, and I'm just applying it with my Morphe M. I think it's 124. I will double check and leave it in the description box. It's a new brush for me. I picked it up at Ulta, but I am really loving it. So I'm just applying that Dreamsicle color all over the lid. A little bit above the crease, but nothing too crazy. And then I'm going in with my favorite blending brush and just blending those edges, just making sure everything is blended together. So now I'm going to take the color Tiki and apply that to the outer corner of my lid. And I'm using my really old MAC brush. Honestly, I don't even think they sell this brush anymore, but I absolutely love it. It just applies the color so nicely. So I'm just doing that with that color Tiki. Today I'm using my Hangover RX by Too Faced. I really do love this primer. It's my favorite primer at the moment. It smells like coconut. It really does help my foundation stay. And I have been using it with my All Hours foundation that I'm using today. I have been applying the foundation to a palette and then just picking up with my sponge and applying it to my face, and I find that that works for me a lot better than applying the foundation just to my face. Today I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. It matches my skin perfectly, and I'm just blending it out with my beauty sponge. Today I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer to highlight under my eyes. I like this concealer. I think it's one of the first concealers I purchased, and it just blends nicely and the colors work well with my skin tone. And I'm just blending it out with my beauty sponge like I always do. I just find that this makes it flawless. Then I'm going to set underneath my eye and my entire face with the Besame Cosmetic Translucent Pearl Powder. You guys, when I'm telling you that I love this translucent powder, I really do love it. I just feel like that pearl just gives my skin the glow that it needs. Today I'm using the Milani XL bronzer, and I mean, you guys already know that I'm just so down for Milani. I love all of their products. I don't think that there's a Milani product that I don't like, or I haven't found one yet at least. Okay, so yes, I am using my very old MAC blush in the color Sunbask. I absolutely love this blush, and I probably should get rid of it, but I still have a little bit of product left, and I'm going to use it until it's gone. Today I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit Sugar, and I think I picked up this glow kit at Marshall's for like 25 bucks. And honestly, I am loving it. I love all of the colors, especially the color that I'm using today, which is Starburst. For my lips, I'm using Milani Brilliant Shine Lip Gloss. I don't think that they sell this color anymore. I know that they don't sell it in any of the stores where I'm at, and I haven't looked online, but these Milani lip glosses are some of my absolute favorite. And this color, I just really love this color. It just gives me all those summer feels, and I need some summertime in my life right now. So now I'm just using whatever color I have left on my brush and just applying that to my lower lash line. Nothing too crazy, just whatever is left over, and just buffing it out with my blending brush. I'm taking my favorite bottom lash mascara, which is the Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara, and applying that to my bottom lashes. I absolutely love this stuff. Then I'm taking the same color that I used to highlight, that color Starburst, and applying that to the inner corners. And colors like this, I feel, really make your eyes pop, and especially with the colors that I'm using on my lid, I think it looks good. So that's it. I mean, this look is so easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.